Right. Our main task here is squaring. So I'm going to first of all write down that f of x is x squared. Okay? That's the task we're dealing with. Automatically, I'm going to do the derivative because I know when I do these estimation things, I'm going to use a formula that requires f of x and f dash of x. So f dash of x is 2x. Right? Function, derivative. What's my h value? Well, what do I know to square without thinking? And out of 5.2, what could I work out? I could work out 5 squared, yeah? Hopefully, we all know how to do that. So, the 0.2. So, h is 0.2. Okay, the gap between the thing I know and what they're asking me to do. fx, f dash of x, and h. I've got all the relevant information I need. Therefore, 5.2 squared will equal 5 squared plus 0.2 times f dash of x. F dash of x is 2x. I'll show that. So that's 2 times, where's the 5? Right? Because the derivative is 2x. My x value that I'm dealing with is 5. That's my main value. So if I did that, I'd get 25 plus 0.2 times 10. It's 25 plus 2. My approximate answer is 27. 5.2 squared will be about 27. Right? Go to the CAS, the exact value of 5.2 squared is 27.04. Okay, so the exact answer is 27.04. My approximate answer is 27. Right? Matching. X squared. What's x squared look like? It's a parabola. Yeah? So when I go to x equals 5, I'm here. When I draw myself a tangent and I go to 5.2 up here, the answer will be underneath the real answer. My estimation is underestimating compared to the real answer. And so when I drew my... See, that's what I'm doing. I'm finding a value and then I'm jumping a little bit, going up and doing a tangent. So it's a rough estimation. My tangent here will be underneath the true value. So, because what they'll do is they might get you a question like that, and then part B will be, is this an underestimation or overestimation of the true value? So you're just going to know, would my tangent be above the graph or below the graph for my real thing? Yes?
Can you explain that?
Yep, no. What we're doing in this thing is coming up with an estimation of this answer. Okay? So I don't know how to do, my calculator is broken, I don't know how to do 5.2 squared properly, so I can use this rule to get a rough answer. And my rough answer by doing this, because, or like a CAS-free environment without a calculator, I could get 27. The real answer is 27.04. So my answer is lower than the real answer. It's an underestimation. Previously, when I did square root 101, or square root 1, yeah, that's what I had, I got an answer that was bigger than the real answer. Just a little bit bigger. There's my root x graph. If I draw a tangent to a root x graph, my tangent is always going to sit above the real graph. So every answer I get is going to be an overestimation. For a parabola, my tangent sits underneath the graph. So all my answers are going to be underestimations. Right? If I ask you to do, a cubic function, depending on where it is, you will find that when I draw tangents, most of my tangents end up carrying on. The next little value will be under the real thing. So for cubics, it will be an underestimation. Right? Tom, sorry?
It's x squared